Hello guys, welcome to my channel Everyday Tech. Today I'll be showing you how to rename, move and copy an application in JetBash. As you know, if you didn't watch my previous video about basic commands and installing JetBash, please go back and see, otherwise you won't understand this. So let's get started. First, let's open our JetBash. Okay, so when open it, let's clear all the stuff here. Clean. Then I'll make it clear. Wait a second. I hope this is clean. Now pwd, the current location we are in. If you want to change it directly to E, come on, let's go to E folder. So we'll type cd E semicolon // we're in E. Okay, so we're in E, and now let's make a new folder, mkdir. Let's hello, let's name the folder as hello. So hello. So this means that in E we made a folder named hello. Okay, so we are going into that folder. We are opening the folder cd hello. Of course, the cd means change directory, which I've explained almost everything on my previous video about basic commands. So cd hello. So we're inside. See, you can see that e /hello. So we're in hello folder now, and if you type ls, shows us the list of things which are there in the folder, and if I type ls and press enter, there's nothing. So this means that the folder is empty, so we can add a new application like a Python file. So let's type touch, which I've shown on my previous videos. Let's make hello.py. Py means an extension of a file called Python file. Okay, so our hello.python file has been created in the hello folder which we made earlier. Okay, now let's see that if it has already come in E. So we can see a folder named hello here. Okay, and here hello.py, a Python folder is created. Okay, so next we will make another directory means file in that our hello file. So mkdir, we can name it as hello_1. Okay, so our new folder in that created, see hello_1, a file name hello which contains hello.py, a Python file, and a folder name hello_1. Okay, so let's mess up with that. I mean open that, and I will create a new thing here. Okay, and if you want to rename, okay, the next topic is to rename. So if I want to change the name of that folder of the Python file .hello.py, so I can just do like that. Like I could say kkk. Okay, so a random name I put kkk, but this function we can do this in git bash. Let's hello once again. Okay, so let's change let's do it in git bash. Okay, so zoom it up. Okay, so hello here. Okay, so list hello and hello_1. So we want to change the name of the hello.python file. So to change the name, I would use a command named mv. Mv stands for move, but mv has two functions. One is to move a file, like we used to cut a file. Another one is to rename it. So we just type mv and space hello.py into kkk. Okay, so our application has been renamed. Let's see our application has been renamed, but I didn't use here any specific extension. That's why it is not showing a Python file. So let's see how to move an application. So I want to move this kkk to hello underscore 1. So I can just do it like like this, move to hello, but we can do this in not Python, in git bash. So zoom it up. So many people have doubts because how I do zooming. It's simply pressing Windows keys plus that plus button, and if you want to zoom out, Windows plus minus key button. Okay, so let's not waste any time. Okay, so we'll move the kkk file into hello underscore 1 file. Okay, so mv kkk. Okay, the next step is very important, that it is the most important part of the moving part. Okay, so if you will use a dot and a backslash and write the folder name to which we want to move in, hello underscore 1. Okay, type enter. Our job is done. Okay, so let's see only hello.1 is existing in the folder name hello. If you have any doubts, you can rewind the video and see hello 1, and in it kkk, I mean kkk. Okay, so I want to make a copy of this and paste on this, or I wish I could move this back here. Okay, so I will, it's pretty simple, like mv kkk and a space, 2 dots. Okay, so we are in the hello file. Sorry guys, we have to move to hello underscore 1 to do this function. Hello underscore 1, it's correct. Okay, we are in hello underscore 1, and you can see that kkk is there, so we'll move kkk back to hello folder, original hello folder. Okay, so we'll mv kkk and 2 dots, and our job is done. Let's see. Okay, see, it's back here and nothing here, it's back here. Okay, so I want to make a copy of kkk inside hello underscore 1. So how would I do that? It's quite simple. See, okay, so zooming in up. Okay, so I want to copy kkk into hello underscore 1. So what I do this, the function to copy a file or a directory or anything is simply cp. Okay, cp is the function. Cp what, kkk to, like the same function to move, you have to press the full stop button and a backslash and the file name hello underscore 1. Okay, as you can see, okay, so this is showing an error because we are inside hello. We should be okay. Now we can turn the list. Okay, it says it has kkk and hello underscore 1. So we want to move this kkk into this hello underscore 1 file. So we should hit cp. Very important guys, this step is very important. What, kkk, cp kkk full stop and backslash to hello underscore 1. Okay, so our job is done. Okay, so we want to remember this copy function. First write cp and a space, and what you want to copy, that is kkk file I want to copy. Okay, so I want to copy kkk file and a dot, a backslash to where you want to copy. So I wrote hello dot and hello underscore 1. Okay, so let's see if it's done or what. See, an existing kkk file originally, and inside there another kkk, as I've done in a git bash. So if I wish to, I'm again showing you how to rename it. It's quite simple. Okay, I want to rename this file again as hello. Okay, so we just zoom in. Okay, so pwd, just in hello folder we are, and what is the list? Hello kkk. So we have to rename the file. As I told you, for renaming a file, the function is mv. So mv has two functions, that is to move a file or rename a file. Okay, to rename you have to just type mv kkk, another space, no full stop, no backslash, simply a space, and to what? Hello. So by doing this, my file here kkk will shift to name hello. Okay, as you can see, it's turned to hello, and now I press ls, it says hello and hello underscore one file. Let's see it. Okay, see hello. If you don't believe me, you can just rewind the video and see its name was before kkk. Okay guys, so thanks for watching my video. I hope you everyone liked it, and if you like it, please push that like button and subscribe. Thank you guys.